want to shut. So out of everything that came with it, how much stuff is missing?
Nah, everything, honestly, it looks like everything's there. I just think this should have been an option. They put both later and early model on it.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. But I think it should, honestly, it should have been like a jumper harness. Instead of having, now you have, well, you don't have to, but now you have both just there chilling, just hanging.
Getting excited and I don't even know why. That shit look like it fit or not.
Nah, yeah, it's lining up and everything. I wish they would have did it like this one, personally. They should have been already on it. All built inside. On the top, a little white one. Make it look like an F80
before she dies. Before she dies. Let's see if we can get it. That looks good. I like that. No, I think that. It sounds like a good car. It
does. Yeah. Smells rich.